Welcome back. Oh my God, have I got news for you. It's fair to say that we have not seen any updates for the Galaxy Watch 4 recently. Well, as it turns out, there is a reason for that. People are simply busy trying to prepare a big bang release. In addition, Samsung just released a new update for your and mine Galaxy Watch 4. It's being rolled out as you and I speak. And you know what? It looks like we are going to be in for a treat this year. Look, nobody else cares like we do, and this may surprise you. A couple of people in the community, including myself, are working on a fix for your Galaxy Watch 4, for your sensors on your Galaxy Watch 4 should you have tattoos on your wrist. The only way we can do this is by coming together, so please consider subscribing to this awesome community. Thank you. Okay, latest update, you can see the number here on the screen, has started to roll out in South Korea. Now, as far as I can see, it's only for the Bluetooth version, which is not ideal for all you LTE peeps. You guys are 2 or 3 updates behind, I believe, and I got 2. I got Bluetooth and LTE, basically for the channel to keep you guys in the loop. As soon as I hear something, I will let you know. So the update itself mentions improved system stability and reliability, which sounds like a normal bug fix at first glance. However, we know from past updates that some of them have fixed major issues like overheating. I will monitor this for you guys, of course, and will revert back to you if I can see any improvements. I will do this immediately, of course. Many of you guys are looking for an improved battery life, and this may also be one of the bug fixes or one of the fixes that Samsung is providing with this latest update, which brings me to the main story, the massive One UI update for your Galaxy Watch 4. And I don't know if you have noticed, but I had a whole bunch of Galaxy Watch 4 plug-in updates on my phone over and over again. And it almost made me suspicious because nothing else happened. Well, according to this reliable source, the following is happening. It's the first update of the month, and he's referring to the January update I've just shown you here. And it's been published to improve the user experience. It doesn't provide any new features or make any significant changes, but it does fix known bugs, and we will of course test this as just mentioned. The business is preparing, I repeat, the business is preparing for a massive One UI release next year or in early January, according to the Watch Manager. So the article has been published on the 30th of December. It's not next year, it's not 2023, he means this January 2022. So that's exciting. So it's also the same day where the update for the Galaxy Watch 4, the one I've just shown you, has also surfaced in South Korea first. So basically, if I put all the pieces here together and look at all the Galaxy Watch 4 plugin updates and all the other updates that happen in the background, and this one now, basically it's all the preparation phase for the big One UI update, the next big generation release, which could be announced at MWC in Barcelona in March, end of February, beginning of March, or even better, at the Unpacked event at the beginning of February, Samsung itself. I'm excited to say the least. Let me know how you feel about it. I'm really looking forward to, and you know what? I took my Galaxy Watch 3 out lately to see what the difference is between Tizen and Wear OS 3. And I gotta say, even though I got nostalgic looking at this, no, there's no way I'm going back. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna stick with Wear OS 3. I'm gonna stick with the Galaxy Watch 4 because it's so much better. Battery life needs to be fixed, and I'm looking forward to this One UI release. Let me know how you feel about it. Peace.